Hello everyone, today we are decorating a buttercream cake with buttercream. As you can see, I am making the stem with the buttercream. Just add the buttercream in the piping bag and then cut it a little bit from the top and you can put these lines. Now I'm using a star tip and we will make small roses with it. You can see it's very easy to make the roses on the cake. So similarly you will make as many as you want on the cake. Just swirl it around and your flower will be ready. So it's that easy to make a flower. You don't need many nozzles to make this cake. It's very easy to make it. You just need to practice. That's it. Here I just put the buttercream in the butter paper and then I'm just taking out the flowers from it. I didn't even cut it because when you cut it with the butter paper box, it will give it a like zigzag appearance from the front, and then you can easily make this flower. You can see the details in it. It is because of the butter paper box which give it that pattern. Then I used a just flat tip. I just put the buttercream in the butter paper and make it a flat with the help of a scissor, and then I just put these flowers. You just need to take it out in the form of a drop and this flower will be ready in no time. So it's a very easy cake. You can see all the details we are giving it. It's so delicate and looks so beautiful when it comes out. Just practice it on a paper first, then you can do it on the cake as well. The buttercream should be like at room temperature. It should not be hard, otherwise you won't be able to take out the smoothness. So now we are making the leaves, and for again we are using the same round tip for the leaves, and we will press it at the end and then we will take it up, so the leaf will be ready. You can see just squeeze it and then move it up, squeeze up, squeeze up. This is the motion you have to do. You can also use a round tip for this. You can also use a leaf tip for this. Whichever style you will prefer or you want to make, you can use that tip for it. There is a set of tip available in every cake decorating kits, so you can easily use them everywhere. As you can see, this without using any of the tips we are making such delicate leaves, and now we will give them the stems to the top flowers. You will press it from the top and then you will take it down, so the flower will come out so nice. This is the cake for my bestie, and I have posted a very funny video regarding the inside of the cake. She just wanted to eat it, and she just hold it hold the slice in her hand, and then I had to make the video. She just ate it. That's why I couldn't take the inside picture so well. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial very well, and please remember to subscribe my channel and follow the tips I am giving you, and you will surely get a very smooth and neat finished cake. That's it for today. See you next time soon. Till then, bye bye.